It's Tuesday morning, the 7th of December, and I just got out of my Apple swing trade, stock ticker AAPL. You can see here that I bought it right before the close yesterday, and I sold it this morning in the pre-market. At least I sold the majority of my shares. I still have a small amount in there, but overall I'm up around $4,500 on the swing trade. Pretty happy with that. So let me show you guys how I knew to swing trade Apple. Alright, so before I go through this Apple swing trade, I do want to let you guys know that on top of Apple, I also recommended DR Horton and McDonald's for a swing trade yesterday on my Discord server. Now in a minute, I'll explain how you guys can get my top 3 swing trade picks for free, and also how to learn my swing trading strategy. But first, let's break down this Apple swing trade. So if we look at the minute chart here, you can see that my entry was right before the close on Monday, yesterday here, and my exit was right around 7 a.m. I waited a little bit after 7 and I got out right around 168.4, a little bit higher, so roughly we'll call it 1.95% profit I got on this trade. I did leave a little bit in, and from here you can see my little chunk has made another 1.4%. Right now I'm up around $4,500 with $1,500 still in Apple, so I still have my small position in here, but majority of my profit is covered. So yeah, roughly 4,500 on the swing trade so far. Pretty happy with that. So if you look at the daily here, the daily chart, you can see why I decided to swing trade Apple. The last time we had a green daily, it had a smaller gap, but the one before was even bigger. But still, we see these two gaps going up after these green dailies, and it's been a while. You know, I haven't been swing trading in the market for almost a week now, just because a lot of the stocks have been failing off of these green dailies. And finally, after seeing not just one, but 2 good green dailies on Apple, I decided it was finally safe enough to try the market. Made this play and it ended up working really well. So that's really why I like the Apple. Another big reason I also like the swing trade is right because it was at its all-time highs, or is approaching its all-time highs here. And I had a pretty good feeling that it was going to gap up and hit the new highs, which it did. So pretty good swing trade on Apple, went exactly how I expected. Happy to have that little chunk in there, and now I'm making a little bit more profit with a small position in Apple. So if you guys want to look at my swing trading watch list here, all the stocks that I look at, you can see a lot of these stocks are blue chip stocks, right? High volume stocks. These stocks aren't penny stocks. I'm not playing options. These are safe trades. Yeah, I'm able to make a really good return just with the strategy. So if you guys want to learn my swing trading strategy, just check out my swing trading tutorial at the end of this video. Also, make sure you guys get on my Discord server, Sleep Easy Trades. Here's where I share my top 3 stocks to swing trade 15 minutes before the market closes. You can also ask us any questions about swing trading on here. You can find the Discord server link in the description below.